What is NoSQL? NoSQL databases are non-relational databases. They do not require a fixed predefined schema, no structured tables with row and columns. NoSQL databases are purpose-built and optimized for many modern applications. They are a great fit for mobile, web, and gaming applications that require large data volume, low latency, high performance, and flexible data models to provide great user experiences. Here is an example of modeling the schema for a simple book database. In a relational database, a book record is stored in separate tables, and relationships are defined by primary and foreign key constraints. The books table has columns for ISBN, book title, and edition number. The authors table has columns for author ID and author name. And the author ISBN table has columns for author ID and ISBN. The relational model is designed to enable the database to enforce data integrity, normalized to reduce the redundancy, and generally optimized for storage. In a NoSQL database, a book record can be stored as a JSON document. For each book, the item, ISBN, book title, edition number, author name, and author ID are stored as attributes in a single document. In this model, data is optimized for intuitive development and horizontal scalability. Why should you use a NoSQL database? Flexibility. Flexible schemas enables faster and more iterative development. Scalability. NoSQL databases are generally designed to scale out by using distributed clusters of hardware instead of scaling up by adding expensive and robust servers. High performance. NoSQL databases are distributed and fit for massive parallel high-performance data processing across processing nodes and servers. This enables higher performance than trying to accomplish similar functionality with relational databases. Highly functional. NoSQL databases provide highly functional APIs and data types that are purpose-built for each of their respective data models. NoSQL databases use a variety of data models. Key value. A key value database uses a simple key value method to store data. The key serves as a unique identifier. They are highly partitionable and allow horizontal scaling at scales. Use cases include gaming, advertising technology, and IoT. Amazon DynamoDB is a key value database. Document. A document database is designed to store and query data as JSON-like document. This makes it easier for developers as they are using the same document model format as their application code. Typical use cases include catalogs, user profiles, and content management systems where each document is unique and evolves over time. Amazon DocumentDB with MongoDB compatibility and MongoDB are popular document databases. Graph. Graph databases are purpose-built to store and navigate relationships. Nodes store data entities. Edges store relationships between entities. An edge always has a start node, end node, type, and direction, and an edge can describe parent-child relationships, actions, ownership, and the like. Typical use cases include social networking, recommendation engines, fraud detection, and knowledge graphs. Amazon Neptune is a fully managed graph database service. Popular graph databases include Neo4j and Giraffe. In-memory. An in-memory database relies primarily on memory for data storage, in contrast to databases that store data on disk or SSDs. They are designed to attain minimal response time by eliminating the need to access disks. In-memory databases are ideal for applications such as gaming leaderboards, session stores, and real-time analytics. These applications require microsecond response times and can have large spikes in traffic coming at any time. Amazon ElastiCache offers memcached and Redis. Amazon DynamoDB Accelerator DAX is another example, which makes DynamoDB reads an order of magnitude faster. Search. A search engine database is dedicated to the search of data content. Search engine databases use indexes to categorize the similar characteristics among data and facilitate search capability. Typical use cases are text search, logging, and analysis. Amazon Elasticsearch Service is a powerful, high-performance search engine for full-text search use cases.